Hi guys, in the PrestaShop forum, somebody is asking how to, for example, he has a PrestaShop exception error 500 on the page categories. He said, "Hi all, I have searched through and not found a specific answer to this one. I wonder if anyone can help with the following error I get when selecting categories from the home page." You see, he has an exception column not found and controller where close, etc. So he has an exception in the dbpdo.php file, you know. And if you scroll down, you will see that he's using a module called modules. You see modules, pairs, faceted search, filters. So the problem should be in that inside that module or in this module. You have also, it is the same module. Yes, it is the same module, modules, faceted search, etc. So the problem should be there. So my advice to this type of question, if you have this type of bug next time, what you have to do is just to go to your forum. If you have go to your PrestaShop installation from the back office, you can just disable or enable the cache. For example, here, if I'm here, I will go just to disable or enable the cache. I go to advanced parameters. The cache is in the advanced parameters. Go to advanced parameters, advanced parameters and performance. You click on performance, performance. You click on performance, it is coming. I'm using the PrestaShop Edge version. Okay, I'm not logging. Let me log in. Okay. Okay, so let us go to advanced parameters, performance, and you should have this option: recompile templates if the file have been updated. Cache, the cache is disabled. You should disable the cache. Save cache is disabled. Okay. You can also clear the cache if you want. You clear the cache. And you have to enable, after you clear the cache, you have to enable the debug mode. I have it this enabled because I'm developing modules, third-party modules from clients, etc. So I have to see the error, the bugs in the real time. So I already have my cache disabled. I have my recompile templates enabled. I select also this option. You have to select always this option. You have to disable the cache. You have to clear the cache permanent every time. Also, you have to have the disable mode. Disable mode, debug mode demons. You have to have the debug mode activated. If you have the debug mode activated, if you go to the home page, if you have those type of exceptions, you will find where is exactly the error. The error. Where is exactly the error? You will not have, for example, a 500 type of error, but you will have the exact error in the exact file. What is happening? You see. So here in this, he's it is happening inside the search provider, I think. Faceted search provider. Sometimes it is depending on the version of PrestaShop and the PHP version he is using. Sometimes if you go to those type of file like a search provider, you can fix the error. I did it a lot of time. So I just wanted to show you that you can do it. It is very simple to correct this type of bug. If you have 500 error page categories or any type of page, you just have to do that and fix the bug, because you will have to see the error, the exact error, and you can fix the bug. Okay, thank you for watching.